So I just woke up. It's 9:30. I thought I'll do a bit of vlogging today. Show you a day in my life. Today I'm planning to put up the Christmas tree and also do some cleaning of the house. Just a little bit here and there. I'll show you. Yeah, I woke up at 6:30 actually, just wide awake, and then I went back to sleep.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
So I started mixing date syrup in my lemon water in the morning. I'm going to talk about how this one has helped me in some other video, but yeah. So this is warm lime water with honey, date syrup and cinnamon powder. Cheers.
What do you want me to do now?
Nothing. I'm just showing them how you're making puris from.
You're fatted. You should make or I should make.
Some lovely puris and lobia and some bright sun. By the way, the whole garden is gone. FYI. I put a clip of the previous video of how there was so much of greenery here and now it's all gone. But anyways, let me enjoy the puri. Hi, it's me. I'm going to clean, so I just covered my hair and face. Bye.
Hello everyone. All the best, you guys.
Papa.
Bloody hell, that was tiring. Oh my god. Now I don't even know I'm going to put up the Christmas tree or not. So I don't know how this vlog is gonna be. So fresh after a good shower. Oh my god. No time to eat some lovely dal and bhindi fry. Sore, yeah. My legs hurt, my butt hurts. I can't. You know, when you go to the gym after a long time, then you can't even stand and sit and the butt hurts, right? That's how I feel. I mean, I was feeling a bit, stiff before doing the work. I should have done some stretches then. I don't think I would have felt this pain. So I'm just eating some dark chocolate. I don't know if I'm focusing, if it's going somewhere else and all that. So I'm actually looking for some gift to buy. I have a Secret Santa with my friends. I mean, you just place your gifts and anybody can pick, and that game. I don't know what to buy, so I'm just looking on Amazon. And I'm doing nothing much. Yeah, I'm just gonna rest now for the rest of the day. I couldn't decide anything, but my head was hurting. So, anyways, so I made myself some tea. This is the honey tulsi chamomile tea for stress and calming relief from Organic India, and some unhealthy snacks. Cause I deserve it after all the hard work I did. But I have to order something today, or otherwise I have to go to the store and buy, because everything is going to be delivered like on Friday and all. I want something that's delivered at least on Wednesday, Thursday, so that I don't have to like freak out right last moment. So yeah, let me see. I can literally feel my eyes opening up and my voice opening up also. I started getting addicted to this green tea now since a few days. I used to drink green tea almost every day before, and I had like baskets of green tea sachets. I've tried almost all the organic ones, the Organic India ones, and of all of them, I like the sleep one, the ginger tulsi sleep one. That's good, and the chamomile one also is nice. And yeah, I love it. Lovely. This vlog is a big flop, yeah. I don't know. As in, my head is still hurting. I get confused what I said in the stories and what I said in the vlog. So I don't know what to update. I think the last I was having tea, I think. After that, I started singing Justin Bieber's Lonely, because that song is. I sang it a little bit. If you want to check it out, go and check my Instagram. For a change, I put something different. Let me see if I can watch something, or I'll just go to sleep. Thanks for watching. If there's something interesting I'm doing tomorrow, then I'll vlog. Yeah. Bye.